I'm checking train departure. We're going in Prague, no? Czech Republic. Leaving at 1 p.m. So far, wala pang nakalagay. No, na 1 p.m. schedule. I'm here at Vienna train station. See the setup here. Nandito, wala pang schedule here. Wala pa, no? It's the setup here. Dami, no? Left and right, people are going all directions. It's still 12:37 schedule. So we stayed for 2 nights, no, here in Vienna. We'll be going to the Prague, Czech Republic. So ikot-ikot muna kami dito. We arrived an hour earlier here. So we're checking. Yung schedule. So far, you see a lot of although this is a European country, you see a lot of nationalities, no, moving around. Today is Holy Week, I think Holy Thursday, but it appears wala masyadong celebration dito in Europe. Hindi na ganoon ka-religious yung mga tao here. Even their churches, hindi masyado puno. Just going around. Ilalim. Para na rin siyang airport, no? Busier than airport yung setup nila. Let's check dito kung lumabas na. So far ang schedule is ito pa rin. So we're checking minute per minute yung mga schedule para kung saan kami na platform sasakay.